Yeah. Now what we are doing, we are creating Apache Airflow DAG for our uh, e-commerce real-time project. Okay. So we are going to call all these SQL files. Create underscore raw.sql, load underscore raw.sql, bronze.sql, silver.sql, and gold.sql. Okay. Before executing this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one file SQL. Okay. Now let's see. mm, mm, Let's say e-commerce, rename e-commerce. Okay. Then first, what I'm checking this table. Select star from raw underscore orders. Okay. First to check this one. Select star from raw underscore db data raw underscore schema dot raw underscore orders. We drop out this table. That's why we cannot see table is existed. Okay. Next one. Go to branch layer. Let's select to star from branch underscore data. Let's check this table contain data or not. So here branch branch underscore db data branch underscore schema data branch underscore others. Table is presented, but there are no records. Right? Next one. Go to silver. Check silver table is contain data or not. So under e-commerce, let's write this one. Once our airflow is completed, we are going to see the data. Yes, sir. Silver underscore db dot silver underscore schema dot silver underscore orders. Let's execute. No records. No records. Now go to find gold layer data. Okay. Let's check gold layer table contain data or not. Okay. Let's select star from gold underscore orders. From which database? Gold underscore db dot gold underscore schema dot gold underscore orders. Let's execute this one. There is no data. Okay. So before running this file, I executed this one. Okay. Before before running that, I executed this one. Okay. Now I am creating a DAG. This is the DAG definition. This is the DAG definition. Okay. So we are using Snowflake underscore connection, but we created which one? We created different name. Okay. Let me go to here. Test Snowflake connection one. Open this one. We created Snowflake connection ID is Snowflake hyphen connection. Okay. This is the connection we created. So let's modify here. Instead of a Snowflake connection, use this name. This name. This name. This name. Okay. Clear, right? This is Snowflake connection. Now let's observe DAG definition table. So first default arguments, next DAG definition started. So DAG ID is retail underscore orders underscore pipeline and scheduling daily. So first I'm creating empty operator or dummy operator. I am creating task ID start. So first what I'm doing, start. Okay. Then another operator, dummy operator or empty operator, end. Between this, we are going to call first to create a raw table. Create a raw table. I am saying there is SQL folder. There is SQL folder. So under Airflow, this is not scripts. Okay. We have to copy this one, scripts folder, copy. Under DAX, create one more folder called, sorry, just to paste this one. Then rename the script files to, rename the script file to SQL. Under DAX, we have SQL file. Under DAX folder, there is a file called SQL. Under SQL, you can see create underscore raw underscore SQL. So we can see create underscore raw dot SQL file. We are calling that SQL file using this connection. Then next one, using this connection, I am calling load underscore raw dot SQL. It is going to load the data. Next, I am calling branch dot SQL. It performs branch layer activity. Next, I am calling silver dot SQL. It is going to call silver activity. Next, I am calling gold dot SQL. It is going to call gold dot SQL. Finally, end. Okay, let's start our Docker compose. Okay, let's go. Desktop Docker desktop. You can see Apache Airflow image is running. Let's wait few seconds. You can see Apache Airflow image is running. Now open our Airflow localhost colon 8080. Let's wait few seconds. If it is not starting, go to Airflow. Go to Airflow. Here, type a command cmd, then use docker hyphen compose space restart. Restart. Let's wait few seconds. Okay. Now let's go refresh our browser. Yeah. It is successful. What is our DAG ID? Retail underscore orders underscore pipeline. This is the DAG ID. Yes, sir. Search this DAG ID in Airflow. Click on this DAG underscore orders. Go to code. You can see same code we written, right? Now click on run button. Then it is started. Start is executed successfully. Then it is called raw underscore table. create underscore ra. It is executed successfully. So load is executed successfully. Bronze underscore layer is executed. Silver executed. Gold executed. Then end. Then verify tables are created or not. So first I'm checking raw table existed or not. Previously zero records, right? So select star from raw underscore db dot raw underscore schema dot this one you can see here we called create underscore raw dot sql. We called load underscore raw dot sql. Let's go load underscore raw dot sql. Let's check. It is executed insert command successfully. Go to retailer. Okay, let's check this branch layer. We have the table, but no data. First of all, raw underscore orders. Check this one. Table is created. No data. Check one more time SQL files. Load underscore raw. Okay. We used insert into this database. Okay. Let's check. After load, we are calling after load, we are calling branch.sql. Let's check is branch contain any logic of removing? No, right? No. Before that, let's check this create underscore raw. No removing logic. Let's check load underscore raw. Okay. Let me one more time. Let's say raw underscore db dot raw underscore schema dot raw underscore orders. Let's remove this use command. Okay. We do not require this selected statements. Save this one. Load is completed. Once again, create also raw underscore db dot raw underscore schema dot raw underscore orders. Let's remove this logic. Okay. Let's close branch layer. We do not require these select statements. Okay, we are selecting data raw underscore db, raw underscore schema dot orders. And finally, we are going to store it into branch underscore db dot branch underscore schema dot branch underscore orders. Let's remove this one. Again, here change this logic to insert into this table. So first creating table, inserting data. Okay, let's save this one. Similar way, let's select silver one. So we are selecting data from branch underscore table. Okay, similar way, let's change silver DB dot silver underscore schema dot silver underscore orders. Let's remove this too. Okay, let's take this one. Let's insert the data into silver underscore table. Okay, save this one, close this one, then gold layer. Save. Gold underscore DB dot gold underscore schema dot gold underscore others. Let's remove these things. Then change here. Save this one. Okay. Close this one. Now let's check. Let's check our airflow. Let's refresh. Let's go the code. Let's check. Is this changed? Anything? No, right? Here as it is. Just once again execute this airflow DAG. Let's wait to complete this one. Executing all SQL files. All SQL files executed successfully. Go to e-commerce one. Now let's execute this table. Select raw table. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. I'll resolve this issue in tomorrow class.